Across the United States, one dog often stands out the moment you see its confident eyes: the powerful pit bull. Originally developed from Staffordshire Terriers and Bulldogs, this breed became known for its incredible strength, athletic body, and fearless personality. With a wide chest, strong legs, and a muscular frame, a pit bull walks with natural confidence. What surprises many people is its high endurance. During intense moments, its body releases energy-boosting hormones that help it stay focused and active. Some people wonder, if a pit bull ever faced a giant guardian breed like the Tibetan Mastiff, who would be stronger? What do you think?